Slovenia, kisses from Finland. Mwah. I'm in Malmö and tomorrow is the big day and I really hope that you want to vote for Finland this year. Kisses!
Pozdravi, Slovenia. We are Cosa Mostra from Greece. Alcohol is free.
Bună tuturor celor din Slovenia! Eu sunt Aliona Mun, reprezint anul acesta Moldova la Eurovision cu piesa 1000. Dacă îți place piesa mea, votează!
Hi Slovenia, I'm Emily Forrest. I'm from Denmark and my song is called Teardrops and I really hope that you will like my song and vote for it. And good luck to Slovenia also.
Pozdravi is Estonia.
To all of you, thank you very much. Thank you Slovenia and good luck.
Vote for me. I represent Azerbaijan and vote for me.
It's just us on stage enjoying it, and we hope to transmit our positivity, our energy to all people watching us. And that hopefully will win as well.
Én sosem fogom őket arra kérni, hogy szavazzanak rám, mert én egyszerűen nem szoktam. Viszont örülök neki, hogyha annak ellenére, hogy magyarul nyom ezt a dalt, eljut hozzájuk, szerintem az óriási.
Enjoy the show and if you like the song, please vote for it.